If you're watching this video, then you've decided to complete my Breathe series. So this is day 1. As we go through each day, we're going to focus on a different element of a meditation practice. So today we're going to be focusing on senses. So if you watch the first video, all about the setup and the position in which you can do meditation in, that's really helpful because you already know everything that I'm about to say. But just to quickly recap, it's important that you find a comfortable position for this meditation practice. If you're somebody that's really struggling to sit in an upright position at the moment, then you can lie down. However, I would recommend that if you're feeling really, really sleepy, you have your eyes open because this is going to prevent you from falling asleep. Or you can choose to sit in more of a relaxed, upright position but use cushions just to support your body. If you are completing this in an environment that feels very noisy right now, I would definitely recommend that you find somewhere quiet. Maybe choose to pop some headphones in if that feels appropriate. If that's something that you need to do, then that's okay to do as well. So remember, meditation isn't about switching off. It's not about clearing your mind of thoughts. So if you've tried meditation in the past and you've been trying to do this and failed, I'm not surprised. So try to understand that this is all about being aware, being in this very present moment with me. And if you can apply that attitude, then you will find that you're possibly able to engage a lot better than say if you're just trying to empty your mind of thoughts, which is something that we'll never do. The brain is designed to think. That's what it does. So finding that comfortable position then. As you can see, I'm sitting on a comfortable chair today. I haven't got any blankets with me because the temperature of the room is quite comfortable. However, if I was feeling quite chilly, I might choose to wrap a blanket around my shoulders as well. But what I am going to use is a cushion for my back, which is going to really help to support my posture. Choosing to rest your hands on your lap. As you can see, I'm using a blanket just to elevate my arms a little bit more so that my posture feels a lot more comfortable and I feel much more supported. So choosing to have your eyes open or closed. If your eyes are open, then just gently lowering your gaze. And meditation, as I said, is all about being in the moment, being aware. So we're going to do that today by becoming aware of our senses. So first of all, I want us to take our awareness to sound. What can you hear? You might be able to hear sounds in my environment if you've got headphones in listening to this. Or you might choose to focus on sounds in your immediate environment, so sounds from the room that you're in, sounds from outside. And you're not attaching any particular story to those sounds that you can hear, rather just noticing them, allowing them to pass through you. Allowing these sounds to bring you into the very moment that you're in. And all you're doing is noticing. And then taking your awareness to the sensation of touch Noticing this surface beneath the body, so the chair or the sofa or the bed or whatever surface that you are resting on, feel that surface support the body. Really allowing your body to rest and relax back. Noticing all the sensations that you can feel. Temperature, clothing on your skin. Even just sensations that are arising in the body. Some sensations may be difficult to move towards, especially if you're in pain, so just take your time with this. Maybe trying to soften around any areas that you feel any tension or discomfort in. And then taking your awareness to taste. What can you taste? Really notice what it's like to taste, what your experience of that is. And how this experience enables you to be present, to be here. And then letting go of this and taking your awareness to your sights. What can you see? So even if your eyes are closed, what can you see behind your eyelids? Sometimes people can say to me that they see colours or shapes. So just focus on what you can see. Allowing the sensation of sight, the sense of sight to bring you into this very moment that you're in. And then finally taking your awareness to the sense of smell. What can you smell? Why are you focusing on smell? Maybe there's a nostril that's more dominant than the other. Maybe you can't smell. If you can't smell, what does it feel like? What's your experience of this? This is all about experiencing whatever's happening in the moment and using your senses to really connect with your direct experience. To really connect with this very moment. And then letting go of all of those senses, that awareness. And we're just going to be gently bringing this practice to a close. So if your eyes are closed, then gently open the eyes. and maybe take a stretch if you need to take a stretch. Okay, so today's practice was all about engaging with the senses, which is the first part of our meditation practice. And every day I'm going to be breaking this down in small bite-sized pieces for you to follow. With our final day, we're going to be putting it all together so that we can sit in a meditation practice with ease, enjoying our experience for around about 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye guys.